Hi kabahay! Hanap pa ba ready for occupancy, single attached unit property at complete finish ang turnover along Aguinaldo Highway lamang itong newest project natin here at the Park Place Village beside SNR Imus. Kaya kung ikaw ay interested, please watch this video. Ito ay may lot area na 164 square meters and floor area of 233.51 square meters. Meron ka ng 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, and 2 carport. Tara, check na natin ang ating property. So before we enter mga kabahay, please appreciate our newest project. So as you can see, ang ating exterior ay napakaganda. Meron tayo ditong fence and gate na included upon turnover. Itong carport area natin that can fit at 2 cars. Meron tayo ditong pebble type na flooring. Ang address natin is sa Embos. May lamppost na tayo dito and the doorbell. And then syempre ito naman ang ating pedestrian gate. Tara, check na natin ating property. So dito sa foyer area natin mga kabahay, meron tayong inside gardens included upon turnover. Naka-landscape tiles ang ating flooring. And then, syempre, ito ulit ang ating parking area. So, again, kaya nito mag-accommodate up to 2 cars. As you can see, covered ditong half size ng ating parking area. And then, meron tayo ditong access papunta sa ating service area. So, dito sa setback area natin, mga kabahay, meron tayong access papunta sa dining area. And meron tayo ditong 2 to 3 meters wide na setback area. And then, ito ay papunta dito sa ating laundry area or dirty kitchen area. So, dito sa side na to, makikita nyo, meron na tayo ditong abang na laundry area. Meron tayo ditong abang na faucet, the water supply, and then ang ating outlet. Papunta naman dito sa ating lanay area na may access papunta sa ating living area. Tara, check na natin ang ating property mga kabahay. So, upon entering, meron tayo ditong steel door na included. Meron na rin siyang keypad lock. And then, ito naman ang ating living area. So, as you can see, different ang layout nito from our previous projects. Pero ito po ay project pa rin ng ating maganda at mabait na developer. So, ito po meron tayo dito magandang ceiling. Ito naman ang area ng inyong entertainment. May access tayo dito na sliding door papunta sa ating lanay area. So mga kabahay, dito sa ating newest project, unlike to others, naka-open layout ng ating ground floor. Dito po naka-separate ang inyong dining area. As you can see, may additional window tayo dito na fixed at saka awning for proper ventilation and of course, additional lighting kapag kaumaga. And meron tayo ditong sliding door access going to the service area and parking area. Dito naman sa dining area, kasya dito ang 6 to 8 seaters na dining table. So ito mga kabayan, ating napakalawak na kitchen area. As you can see sa kitchen area natin, included pa rin ang ating pull-out storage. Ito po ay naka-built-in. May built-in cabinets over and under na included. May provision for microwave. Included din po sa ating turnover ang cooktop na ito. And then of course, ito ang ating double bowl kitchen sink which is made from quartz. Dito sa ground floor mga kabahay, meron tayong toilet and bath. So as you can see sa toilet and bath natin, complete fixtures pa rin po ito with shower, enclosure, and then the shower head, toilet seat, and the lavatory area. So mga kabahay, dito sa ground floor, meron tayong bedroom number 1. So as you can see, kasyang-kasya dito ang single to double size bed. Pwedeng-pwede ito sa mga senior citizens at PWD members. May provision tayo dito for aircon na window type. Meron din tayo dito windows, and then meron tayong built-in cabinets sa floor to ceiling ang height. So sa staircase area mga kabahay, ang ating flooring is made from tiles. Meron tayong fixed window dito for additional lighting. Ang railings natin is made from wood and may tempered glass ito na included upon turnover. So dito kabahay sa second floor ay meron tayong total of 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. This is bedroom number 1. So sa bedroom number 1 mga kabahay, kasya dito ang single to double size bed. May window tayo dito. And then may provision for window type aircon. Hindi mawawala ang ating built-in cabinet na floor to ceiling and then the vanity area. Ito naman mga kabayan, ang ating common toilet and bath here at the second floor. So as you can see, complete pictures pa rin po ito upon turnover. Bedroom number 2 mga kabahay. So dito sa bedroom number 2, same as bedroom number 1, complete pa rin po ito sa ating turnover. Kasya ang double size bed with windows, provision for aircon, and then the built-in cabinets. Of course, ang hindi mawawala ang ating vanity area. Wait mga kabahay, dahil ito naman ang ating master's bedroom. So sa master's bedroom natin, makikita nyo, sobrang laki ng space dito. Pwedeng-pwede dito up to king size bed. And of course, dito sa ating bedroom na to, meron tayong access papunta sa ating balcony area. Ito mga kabahay naman ang ating area ng entertainment, which is meron tayong wall accent dito. Isa sa highlight ng ating master's bedroom, meron tayo dito master's walk-in closet and master's toilet and bath. Here is the master's toilet and bath, mga kabahay. So as you can see dito sa master's toilet and bath, complete pictures ito, and then ang highlight naman ng master's toilet and bath ay meron itong included na jacuzzi upon turnover. Tara, check na natin ang ating balcony area. So sa balcony area, mga kabahay, makikita nyo maluwag ito, and then meron tayong steel railings dito and combination ng tempered glass. Nagustuhan mo ba, kabahay, ang ating property featured for today? If you are interested, please send us a message at 0916-518-4710. Book your trippings now. This is Juan Tapawan of Exosia Properties, your PRC, and this is the accredited salesperson. Thank you for watching, kabahay!